Hi, we are Team Youth Snoop, Akash, me, Chitrarth, and Nibir. This is our product. It's basically an online service which has a database of Indian college fests. We also provide online registration, booking, and payment service for these fests. And we also have a feature of personalized recommendations to users through social media such as Facebook. This is what we're building right now. Our MVP has a fest database of the top 10 colleges in the following 7 streams. The database would include fest description, main events, how to reach, etc. And our aim is to integrate our payment gateway service with Apogee 2014. I'll give you a brief recap of the survey we presented in the last presentation. I'll focus on the 3 most important questions this time. We had found that more than 80% of the respondents preferred to take part in their own college's fest. About 20% preferred to participate in other colleges' fests. About 87% of them had said they would prefer to pay the registration fee online rather than by post. Now, since our product isn't in the market yet, we can only theorize the product market fit. We know for a fact that we have only one competitor in the fest database sector right now, novafest.com. So it's largely an untapped market. Also, our survey indicates that a large number of students prefer to pay online for registration rather than by post. Hence, our booking feature is bound to be well received. We've also tried to sell our product to the organizers of Apogee 2014. Interestingly, we found that they tried to implement such a service in the last Apogee, but it failed due to some technical problems. The head of the organizing department has confirmed to me that they would love to use our product. Now I'll give you a product demo which is indicative of its traction. Now this is our home page. As you can see, we can enter all the details and it has a sign up facility as well. Now you can go to the fest database page which shows all these fests in the form of their symbols and tiles. You can click on any one of these fests and you'll get its details. If I click on Oasis 2013, I'll get this page which has all its details and the dates. And as you can see on the top right corner, it has your name, which shows that you're signed up on your Facebook account. This is our business model for your reference. We'll discuss the sustainability of this model. We know that new colleges keep coming up in India every year, hence the number of college fests is increasing. We noted in our survey that even if people don't prefer to travel to other colleges to take part in their fests, they generally do take part in their own college's fests. So we expect the number of people who take part in fests to keep increasing with time. So the number of people who will want to use our service will also keep on increasing. Now we're looking at a small market, so we don't expect any major players to compete with us in this segment. Going by revenue, we expect that even if we have 2 or more fests signed up on our portal, we can attract lesser known fests to use our service for publicity. We still have some work left in the back end of our website. We're planning to launch our database service towards the last week of December. Regarding our booking feature, I'd spoken about CC Avenue and PayU in my last presentation. Now, we came across a new payment gateway service called PayZippy by Flipkart, which is offering much cheaper pricing. They're launching soon and we plan to use their payment gateway for Apogee 2014. That's it from our side. We hope for a successful launch soon. Thank you.